Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix breadcrumbs in Wix. So to fix breadcrumbs in Wix, follow these steps. First of all, enable breadcrumbs if not already added. Open your Wix website editor, click on the Add Elements button, that is the plus icon on the left panel, scroll down and select Menu and Pages. Here, you'll have to look for breadcrumbs option and drag it on your website. You can also click on the search icon and search for breadcrumbs and click on this breadcrumbs icon, and you'll have to make sure that you turn on dev mode first. So turn on your dev mode. So this will add breadcrumbs to your website, which helps user navigate back to previous page or sections. Now, another way is customizing breadcrumbs style. So click on the breadcrumbs element in your Wix editor and a toolbar will appear where you can easily customize its font, size, color and alignment. Adjust these settings to match your site's design and ensure that the breadcrumbs are visible and accessible. Now, you can check the hierarchy of your pages in site menu. Breadcrumbs reflect the structure of your site, so make sure pages are organized in a logical parent-child relationship, for example, home, category and product. You can see your pages just right here. Now, if needed, edit the page settings for each page to define its position within the site structure. Now, you can also click on the breadcrumb element and use the alignment option in the toolbar to adjust its position on the page, and you can use the spacing option to fine-tune the padding and margin around the breadcrumbs. Now, breadcrumbs help improve SEO, but for them to be categorized by search engines, ensure that the structure is correct. Wix automatically adds structured data for breadcrumbs in most cases. But you can double check by going to the site SEO settings. Ensure that your breadcrumbs are structured as navigational aid and not just visual. By following these steps, you should be able to fix and optimize your breadcrumbs on your Wix site, ensuring they function well on both desktop and mobile views. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.